Alright, this is a Cadet 1517 with an 18 horse Kohler Command, single cylinder engine. Reason I got it was it looked like the guy mainly used it for hauling stuff around the yard. Looks like the only thing he did with it. Deck was off. It looked like it hadn't been used for many years. PTO was actually disconnected. The guy didn't even, he had deck stuff wired up so it wouldn't drag on the ground. I mean, he put a hitch on there and all that stuff, so that's probably what it was used for. He just bought it and took the deck off. But put the deck back on. There's a new belt going from the PTO to the deck because that was missing. Battery's good. The reason he probably got rid of it was because this rear left tire leaked air really badly. Put a new inner tube in it. It's holding air. Otherwise, the rest of them held air. I just did some basic maintenance, new fuel filter, oil change, blew out the air filter. Really wasn't too bad. But yeah, this only has 300 hours, something like that. Let me show you here. Yeah, 326. So pretty low. It doesn't seem to smoke at all. Blades are good. It's foot controlled hydrostatic. You see there, little pedals. 42-inch deck from the looks of it. I don't know for certain, but looks like it is. Don't know about the lights. I didn't check those out. But I can fire it up. Deck sounds really good. No weird shaking or anything like that. Like foot controlled hydrostatics, they're pretty nice. This one seems strong yet. Let's see, deck height down to probably there. Yeah, about that. I've had a lot of respect for the Kohler Commands. They've been pretty good motors. Not the most powerful necessarily. Like, I don't think they ever came in over 18 horses. Probably one of the biggest Kohler Commands I've seen. But at least for single cylinders. But they're nice and quiet, reliable, all the basics. Kind of like the brake command guards. They're pretty good too. But Kohler Courages that they replaced these with were just trash. After, I don't know when they changed over. This is probably early 2000s, something like that. But yeah, I mean, I guess I don't need to show you too much more. Let's check to see if the lights work, I suppose. Oh yeah, they're working. There you go. It's nothing fancy. It's one of the old Cub Cadet riders, but does its job, and like I said, it's relatively low hours. So if you have any questions, throw them in the comments. Otherwise, have a good one.